Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can add a Google search bar on your Android home screen. So right now here you can see currently I am on my home screen. So in order to get a Google search bar in here, I'll have to long press on my home screen just like this. And then you can see the option of widget. Tap on widget. And then in here you can see all of the application widget right here from which you'll have to search for Google. So in here you can see Google right here. And you can see there are like 3 different widgets that Google gives you. One's about the stock and another about the weather. Here we also have the search engine right here. Tap on the search engine and just like this we'll get the search engine right here. Simply tap on done and just like this we get the Google search engine on your Android. If you ever just want to remove it, you can again long press on this search bar like this and then tap on remove. You can also tap on adjust size and simply adjust the size of this Google search bar. You can even drag this widget. So again, long press on it. And if you want it right here, you can do it and drag it right there. So like I said, if you want to remove it, again, long press on it, tap on remove and remove it. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.